Okay, let us start the class. In Python, to find this type of patterns, okay, this type of patterns, this is the code, this so from descending order, ascending order from 1 to 10, otherwise descending order 10 to 1. So the number, this is the descending order, first number, last number, and this is the decrementing size. We can give size as decrementing or incrementing. After that, the pattern, whatever the design you want to get, that is star, that must be kept in single quotation as a string and multiplied with I. Every time whatever the I is a variable which holds at iteration, every iteration it holds the value, and that will be multiplied, and you want to know how many stars are this, okay, that I you need to put this. So you will get this type of printout. Okay, this is design. Suppose if you want to get from 1 to 10, so nothing but you need to do what? You do one thing simple, you reverse this one, okay, 1 to 10, and you plus 1, incrementation every time. From 1 to 10, you will get the printout like this. Okay, if you want to get up to 10, you increase this one as 11. Okay, this is okay. Now you will get the like this. Okay, you have given 11, but you are getting 10 because last index, last range minus 1. Okay, the number will be taken up to. Okay, next one more, that is what? To calculate age, calculate, comment here, to calculate age from your birth year, age of from your birth year, from your birth year. Okay, now how to do that? Simply you take input function, enter a number, enter your age, enter your the birth year, okay, birth year. Okay, if you enter like this, so the number, whatever integer number you will forward here, that will be need to put in a variable, that is equal to, in a variable, keep this in a variable, birth year. Okay, so no need to gap here, birth year. Now what happen, if you compile this one, you will get, enter your birth year. So if you put some word number, that is suppose 1999, okay, so what happened, that year will be this input function considered as a string, so that will be put as a string in this birth year. So you need to convert this into integer, so use the int function, type conversion here. Okay, so now this string will be converted into integer. Okay, now whatever the number, integer number, that will be stored in this birth year string, and sorry, variable. Now come down. Now if you want to know that your actual present year, okay, that is equal, suppose 2023. Okay, now actual age equal to present year minus your birth year. Okay, so now what happened, let us see. Actually is because this gap is not accepted here. Okay, now you do one thing, what is, if you enter your birth year, it is getting some word like, okay, Now if you compile this code, like what you know, if you enter your birth year, suppose if I pass 1969, okay, so age 54 years, so you can write simply a string here, string, okay, your age is your age is your age is okay, come. So now what happened, you will get this string in front of this age. If you want to put some word string, keep that string in single quotation or double quotation mark, after that comma. That is very important, otherwise you can keep plus also, okay. So enter your birth year 1969, so your age is 54 years. So you can do that also. Suppose if I put the plus here, then what happens, see, I think it will not give, because this is the string and string can't be concatenated with the integer number, so it will give error. So if you provide 1969, so can only concatenate string to string, not string to integer, because this is your string and this is result will be integer. So concatenation only string to, if it is string, okay, that will be done. Okay, now concatenation. Okay, next, suppose as I told you that whenever you feed your age in as an integer, I told you that that will be considered as a string, so input function. So you know, if you want to know that, first of all you need to remove this, okay, okay, and you remove this and you type here simply, you type here, okay, print, okay, type birth year, birth year, okay. Then what happened, try, you enter 1969, that will be you do this whenever you pass 1969. Where is 1969? Don't pass here. 1969 actually is 20 years, your actual age, print, comma, so whenever you your whatever the year you pass here, that will be considered as a string, okay. So whenever you remove this int function, so now you keep this, after that you one more time you copy this year and you paste here. Now what happened, now that 19, that string you want to convert this, you put int here, okay. That moment, if it is a string and you want to get this output, so it will give this type of unsupported operand. Operand means values, so types for int and string, because now whatever the year you passed here, that will be typed by the type function. We can know that it is a string. So here present year is 2023, integer number, and your birth year string, okay, your birth year string. So that way these values unsupported, operand means unsupported. What one is integer, birth year is what, string, but you have feed 1969, but it's considered as a string, so unsupported. Now you need to do what here, now it is done, okay, because you have put the int function that will convert that your function into indentation error, unexpected, line 11, where is that, okay. Now you compile this one, so you pass 1969, so where is that, don't put here, you compile this one, you pass the 1961 here, so your age is 54. So now After that, if you want to know this, where is that birth year type?